Hello, all. Today we are deep diving into Rhonda Byrne's 28-day magic practice, which is designed to cultivate gratitude in all areas of your life, based on the principle of the secret. So, here's a summarized picture of each day practice. So, let's start. Are you ready with me? We're going to discuss all 28 days today in this session. So if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, please share with people who are in need of it. So let's start with the preparation on the daily gratitude journal. So before starting the 28-day practice, get a journal or a notebook. Every morning, write down 10 things you are grateful for and why you are grateful for them. After each one of them, you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you, and feel the gratitude deeply. This will become a daily habit throughout the 28 days. You will find many videos for day by day, but today I am going to explain everything in a single video so that you can understand the whole principles at one pace. So let's start. First, on day 1, you have to count all your blessings that you have. In the morning, write down 10 blessings and why you are grateful for them. Say thank you 3 times after each one, feeling the gratitude. During the evening, before you bed, take a magic rock, any small, smooth rock, and think of the best thing that happened today. Hold that rock and say thank you for it. Keep this as a nightly practice. Do it on a regular basis, my friends. You have to be consistent to get the blessings and positivity in your life. On the day 2, the magic rock thing, continue your gratitude list as usual as you did on day 1. In the evening, use the magic rock to focus on one thing you're most grateful for. So before you go to sleep. Again, this is on day 2. On day 3, all the magical relationships, think of 3 people you are grateful for in the morning. Write down why you are grateful for each one of them. Throughout the day, say thank you silently or aloud as possible wherever you are, and think about those people. So that's day 3 on your magical relationships. Now comes the day 4. We are talking about your magical health. Again, in the morning, write down 10 things about your health you are grateful for. Each time you think of your body or health, say thank you for the health you have. For your voice, for your beautiful face, for your hands, for your legs, for your breath, everything that you have in your body, your magical health, your good health, your perfect body. You have to write 10 things and you have to be thankful for it throughout the day. Day 5, we are talking about the magical money. Sit down and list all the things money has provided you. Everything, the phone you're talking with, the clothes you are wearing, the food you eat, the car you go in, the bus you drive in, whatever you have in your life, the furniture, the bed, the fridge, the TV, the computer, there's so many things, the electricity, the water, the gas. So be thankful for the money you could buy everything with. So throughout the day, every time you have to spend money, say thank you and thank you for the money that allowed you to pay for whatever you needed in your life. This is a magical thing, my friends. People generally don't have most of the things that you possess. So be thankful for whatever you have with that magic money. On day 6, think of a situation at work or in your career that you are grateful for. Write down why you are grateful for. This is very important. You have to specific that why is that happening. And throughout the day again, say thank you for all the work related things you had encountered from your commute to your computer. The day when you started from your home till you reached the office, whatever happened, just feel gratitude on day 6. On day 7, think of any negative situation and magical way to come out of that negativity. Write down 10 things you are grateful for about that situation. Throughout the day, whenever negative thoughts arise, immediately shift your focus to something you are grateful for. So, this is the magical way to come out of the negativity on day 7, because we have so many negative thoughts. We have to come out of that on day 7. Day 8 is a magic ingredient day. So, again, we have to start in the morning and do it throughout the day. Think about the food and the drinks you consume. Write down things you are grateful for. And throughout the day, before each meal, take a moment to say thank you, and thank you for the food, mentally and quite aloud to yourself. Day 9, the money magnet. You are a money magnet. Find some bills, real or play money, or stick a note saying thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. And again, throughout the day, each time you see or touch your money, say thank you for it. You have to become the money magnet. Keep the money in your hand and say thank you. Could be 100 note, 10 rupee note, 500 bill, whatever you have. Be thankful to the money that you have. Day 10, Magic Dust Day. Continue your gratitude list again today in the morning. Sprinkle the magic dust mentally at least on 10 people who provide services to you, like the bus driver, the cab driver, the washing man who washes your clothes, or the maid at your home. You have to just sprinkle the dust, magic dust, and say thank you for their service. Day 11, again we have a magic morning today. As soon as you wake up, thank you for each part of your morning routine as you do it. From brushing your teeth to having your breakfast. Whatever you did, be thankful to this magical morning today for everything that you have done in your routine today. On day 12, magic people who made a difference in your life. Morning thing, think of 3 people who have made a difference in your life. Write them a letter of gratitude, and throughout the day, if possible, deliver the letters or simply express your gratitude to them in person or mentally. You just have to go to them and say thank you. Could be your mom, could be your friend, your wife, your brother, your sister. Just go to them and say thank you to them. Those are the magical people who have made a difference to your life in all the ways, being your friend, being your guidance person, being your mentor, whatever you want. Say thank you to all the people who made difference to your life. Day 13, make all your wishes come true. Write down top 10 desires of this. They have already happened, because visualization is the best technique for any secret to happen in your life, and begin with each one of them and say thank you for your wishes coming true. Throughout the day, visualize and feel the gratitude as if each desire has come true. So my friends, that is very important. Every desire to come true, you have to visualize and see that has already happened. Day 14, have a magical day. Write a list of everything you want to go well today. Begin each sentence with thank you. Thank you for the lovely food I had. Thank you for the praise from my boss. Thank you for the money I received. So you have to start the magical day with thank you. And throughout the day, as each part of the day will unfold, feel gratitude how smoothly it's going. So that's a gratitude for day 14. Day 15 is miracles and magic in your health. Again, choose one area of your health to focus on in the morning. Write 10 things you are grateful for which are related to your health. Throughout the day, spend time visualizing perfect health and feel gratitude for it. That's the best thing you have to feel for your health. Day 16 is magic and miracles in your work. Before starting your work day in the morning, imagine receiving great news about your work and feel deep gratitude for it. Maybe a promotion, maybe a transfer, maybe a new boss, whatever you wanting to start off the day, do it. Throughout the day, You work, express gratitude for each and every task and interaction with the people in your office. Day 17, again the magic check. On the morning, write yourself a check for an amount of money you wish to receive. If you wish to receive 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, whatever you want, 10 lakhs or maybe a crore, feel gratitude as if you have already received it. Write a check to yourself. And throughout the day, carry the check with you place it in somewhere where you will see it often and feel gratitude for the abundance coming your way. Be thankful, be in gratitude for the abundance coming and is on the way to you. Okay. Day 18 is magical to-do list. Write down tasks you need universe to help you with. Title of the task is magical to-do list and give thank you to the universe for helping you. Universe is that power which is running this world. So you have to be thankful to that Almighty. Throughout the day, each time you think of these tasks, say thank you as if it has already been completed, because you have to thank and leave everything. Leave to that universe, to that supreme power to get your work completed. Day 19 is the magic footsteps. Go for a walk in the morning. With each step, say thank you and feel gratitude for your life. What does that mean? That every step you are feeling gratitude, each and every step you take. Continue this mentally and say thank you as you walk throughout the day. That's gratitude for your each footstep. Day 20 is a heart magic. Place hand over your heart, close your eyes and focus on your heartbeat. Say thank you for your each heartbeat. You are living because your heart is beating. So you have to be thankful for your heart. Periodically during the day, place your hand over your heart and feel gratitude for its constant work. Because if heart will stop, you are no more in this world. So that's the heart magic, my friends. Day 21, magnificent outcomes. Think about your plans and for the day and say thank you for the magnificent outcomes to any specific event. Visualize everything going perfectly. And throughout the day, repeat this for any event or any situation that arises, expecting a great outcome and a great result out of that. I think that this is sounding really great. You will remember some of the things. Perform the things as and when you remember. Need not do it day by day, but yes, do it. Do it, do it, and do it. Day 22. Before your eyes visualize a specific desire, write thank you for the realization of whatever you desire, whether you're going abroad, you're walking in a park, you're going to mountains, you're walking on the beach, you're walking in the forest, whatever you wish for. Visualize it before your eyes and look for the signs that you desire is coming true and feel gratitude for them. So you have to feel that your specific desire has come true. Day 23 is on the magical air you breathe. Spend few moments focusing on your breath. Feel grateful for the air that keeps you alive, the air you breathe in. Say thank you to this universe for the air they have given you. And during the day, say thank you for the air that fills your lungs and gives you breath, because breath is not there, you are not there. Day 24 is a magic wand. Think of 3 people who need help. Imagine you have a magic wand and wave it over to them, sending them your good wishes. Each time you think of these people, silently say thank you for their healing, abundance, or whatever help they need. So this is what you have to do. Helping others is one of the magical things and it will work as magic in your life. Day 25. Think of something you need or want today. Imagine you already fulfilled it, saying thank you for it. As you go through your day, say thank you every time something good happens, big or small. There are many instances that might happen. Somebody might propose you, somebody might say thank you to you, somebody might buy you something. Anything can happen. So be thankful for the day filled with thankfulness. Day 26, magically transform mistakes into blessings. Think of a mistake you have made in the past. Write down 10 things again that you are grateful for. From that came that mistake. So be grateful. Write down 10 mistakes that you are grateful for. Whenever you encounter a challenge, immediately think of something positive that come from it and feel the gratitude. That's why we need a journal to write down everything, because this 28-day practice means writing the journal in the morning and then visualizing it throughout the day. Day 28, magic mirror, my friends. Stand in front of the mirror, look into the eyes, say out, thank you for your name. I'll say thank you, KPKC. Repeat thank you to yourself at least 10 times. So I'll say thank you, KPKC, thank you, KPKC, thank you, KPKC, thank you, KPKC, thank you. So you have to repeat your name. Whatever your name is, thank you, Ankita, thank you, Mohan, thank you, Pradeep, thank you, Rekha, whatever your name is. So you have to say that aloud. Each time you say, look at the mirror, say thank you silently or aloud. Now, final day, day 28, and remember the magic. Reflect on the past 28 days. Write down top 10 things you are most grateful for and why. And continue to feel gratitude and carry it with you as a new habit. I hope you must have now inculcated some habits from these 28-day magic thing. This 20-day practice script is a powerful way to immerse yourself in energy of gratitude, transforming your mindset and opening the door to more love, joy, and abundance in your life. Thank you, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.